friends. It is Sunday and I haven't spoken to you guys in a while and I'm really sorry. So I am just getting ready to go to a first birthday party. I've actually got Talia down for a sleep at the moment. She was quite grumpy this morning and this birthday party is at 11:30 and it's kind of an awkward time for me. So because by that time I'm usually getting Talia down for a nap, so she will be having lunch and going down at about 12 o'clock. That's what she usually goes down for. And yeah, this party is at 11:30 and so getting a little bit anxious this morning because I'm like, how am I going to do this? How am I going to make sure Talia is happy and I'm happy and we're having a good time, but also her not being tired and having to leave the party early. And yeah, it's very dark in here. Hang on, let me find the remote to put the curtains up. Yeah, so I am about to go and wake her. It's actually 20 past 11 at the moment and I've got to start getting ready. I've got to get dressed and get her ready and pack a bag and wrap his present, and I'm just so not organised this morning. Actually, very unorganised. Come on, we're gonna get dressed. You get the camera. Okay guys, we are on our way. Well, that was a rush, but on our way to the first birthday party, which is pretty exciting. I've actually got a whole lot on this weekend actually. Well, not this weekend, next weekend I'm busy. So this weekend I've got a first birthday party. Next weekend I've got a first birthday party. And it's crazy. Talia, can you say hello? So yeah, we are on our way to the party. And Josh's sister is up at the moment actually. They've just brought a caravan, so they brought the caravan up to show us before they go on a long trip. I think they're heading over to Adelaide, so that's exciting for them. So yeah, and it was very big and luxurious and luxurious, and yeah, it was good. So I don't know if I'll be able to vlog anything at the party. I might take a little snippets here and there, but we'll see how they go. Okay guys, we are back from the party. We got back a little while ago and we've just been relaxing on the couch, watching a little bit of YouTube, and yeah, it was a very cool party. Very cute. So I didn't vlog any of it because I thought I'd just respect their privacy, and I was too busy chasing after Talia anyway to actually pull the camera out. So yeah, we are home now and I'm just waiting for Josh to get home, and I don't know what we will do. We might go for a little walk or something, or yeah, not sure what we're going to do yet, and I'm not sure what we're going to do for tea either. Josh and I have been on this we've been trying to cook more at home instead of getting takeout, because we get a lot of takeout. It's just easier. But yeah, we are trying to cook more and be a little bit more healthy and watch what we eat, and yeah, So I don't know what we're going to have. So we're just chilling. Sweepy. How you doing, Sweepy? We're just chilling, aren't we, Sweep? Can you say hello to everyone, Sweepy? Say hello to the camera. What are you doing? Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Anyone home? Peekaboo. 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 Oh. Bye-bye. Boo. We have just come out to the farm for a little bit as there's a little sheep that is struggling. Don't know if you can see him. He's just there, little sheepy. I had to, his legs are kind of gone a little stiff, so I had to put some water and a block out for him to get some calcium into him because there's not much grass and water around at the moment, so he's struggling a little bit, which is sad. So we have helped him out and he's in his own little paddock and there's some green grass in here for him and hopefully he'll get better. So what are you doing? You like to farm, don't you? Hey? No, you can't go in there. You can just watch him from the fence. Where's the sheepy? Where's the baba? Where is he? Where's the baba? He's all the way down there. Here he is. Yeah? Yeah? Where's Dada? Let's go find Dada. Let's go find him. Where is he? Where is Dada? Yeah, Mummy, I'll open the gate. Okay. Oh no, Mummy will come through. That's okay. Mummy's got it. Oh, that's good. Dada. No, come back this way. What are you doing? Good one. Thought I'd sit down and just give you an update of what happened today. I said it was Monday, right? Oh dear, I'm so tired. Talia is asleep. I worked today, and I haven't really vlogged much today at all, really. I worked, I finished work, went to the supermarket and picked up Talia from care, came home, cooked tea, put Talia to bed, and now I'm here. So it's been pretty busy. Talia didn't eat her dinner again. It's becoming quite a nuisance, and I don't know how to get her to eat. So if you have any tips, leave them in the comments below, please. I was up with her last night at about 12:30 because I think she was hungry. Because she didn't have much to eat yesterday, and so yeah, I'm not really sure how to go about it when she doesn't eat. It was something simple, just spaghetti bolognese. Josh and I were having it, and she just did not want hers. And I've been looking into getting essential oils. So I think it's doTERRA oils, and I've been really looking into getting, it's called Serenity, and I've been talking to a consultant, and she said that that's good for, you know, helping them sleep. You can dilute it with a bit of coconut oil and rub them on them after their bath to help them sleep at night. So I've been really looking into that, and yeah, so I've been looking into essential oils, and I thought that they would be a good idea to help her sleep and help me sleep too. So yeah, I'm sitting on our new bed. I love it. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. I just thought I'd touch base with you guys for Monday, and I have to work again tomorrow, so I think I might try and see if I can do a little montage or something for you guys at work tomorrow, but I probably won't be able to film a lot because of confidentiality reasons, but I'll see what I can do so you guys can see what I do. But yeah, as I said, I probably won't be able to film while I actually have a patient in the chair due to confidentiality, but I could show you, you know, where I work, like the workplace that I work in, and I don't know, me getting ready for work. So I will see you guys tomorrow, which is right. Hey guys, I am back from work and I have picked up my little cherub and we are just relaxing, catching up on a bit of YouTube, waiting for Daddy to get home, and then we're going to have some tea and relax for the day. Yeah. Oh, he's saying hi. Hi guys.
Hi.
So I missed you.
Oh, okay.
Really?
Hi. Oh.
You talking? Ah! Did you have a fun day today? You went all the way to Ballarat today with Carla. Yes. You went in the car. Did you go in the car? No. Did you? Did you have a good day? Uh-oh. Where are the puppies? Woof woof. Where are the puppies? Where are they? Can you say your colours? Can you say purple, blue, red, yellow, yellow? She's been practicing her colours, guys, and it's so cute. I actually got a clip of it the other day when she was in the bath, so I'll insert that here. Purple, yellow, red, blue, orange. How cute was that footage? So we've been practicing, and we've been practicing our numbers. She can still only count to 3, but that's pretty good for a nearly 2-year-old. So yeah. As I said, it was a busy day at work. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage that I put there. As I said, I wasn't allowed to film a whole lot, but was me getting ready for the day at work. So setting up the surgery, ready for work. She keeps copying me. Josh has just gone for his massage, guys, and I am organising tea for Talia. I think I actually might give her some leftover spaghetti that I had in the fridge. I think Josh is going to be bringing home some fish and chips for us because he was craving fish and chips, and I think I might get some grilled fish instead of battered today, so because I've been eating a little bit more healthy, and I have found this awesome tea, and I'm obsessed with this tea. It's called white tea, and yeah, it's like a green tea, and well, it's from the same plant as the green tea, but yeah, this is meant to be a lot better for you, and it's a lot sweeter than the green tea. I can't stomach the green tea very well because, I don't know, I can't drink it. Like, even if I infuse my tea bag for like 5 seconds, it's still way too strong. But this green tea, I had some last night after dinner, and I mixed in with a little bit of honey, just a little bit, and I loved it. And then this morning at work, I had it just by itself, and it was still good. It doesn't really have a taste to it, and that's what I want. So I just wanted something a little bit more it's a fly. Something a little bit more healthier for me than having just coffee. So we are organising tea for little Talia, aren't we? You ready for dinner?
No.
Why?
No.
Oh, darling. Darling. Yeah, dinner time?
No.
Yeah. Oh! I'll poke you in your eye. Hey guys, I'm going to end tonight's vlog. I'm going to insert a clip. Talia and I just had a little fun with some the Face Swap app, and some of them I find quite hilarious. So I'm going to add that footage in here for you guys to have a laugh. And yeah, I'm going to end the vlog tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna have some dinner and bath Talia and get her ready for bed and have an early night myself because I'm pretty tired. So I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave a friendly comment below and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in our next video. Bye guys! Damn it, I didn't push the button. Salad.